2022 Arv course estimate for essentially long stretch Ariva cost assumptions. Key examination for the most part is principal, to the extent that industry benefits the especially nearby representative in every practical sense, offers a couple which is genuinely critical. The freedom of the high-level economy really makes it kind of ideal in a very significant manner, as dApps and stablecoins create the association. Most certainly offers programmable and serious portion compost elements, and limit decisions truly in opposition to mainstream, thinking it is possible that the truly ordinary expense of Arv will augmentation to around 0.0002492 by 2022. Expecting kind of additional monetary benefactors, most certainly are attracted to the idea, in a sort of significant manner for 2022. The year can end with a generally truly outrageous especially worth of 0.000270004, with a base extremely worth level of 0.000233532 in an unpretentious manner. Ariva value forecast 2023 and 2023 with extra gathering and associations between truly other really major blockchain networks. The expense of Ariva would take off the most kind of outrageous trading cost, could truly reach 0.000411831 in 2023. The expense reaches will explicitly be exceptionally moving, expecting we generally continue with that way. If all works out positively, we can sort of expect a normal expense of 0.000034954, with a generally really outrageous expense of 0.000411831 for 2023. Ariva value forecast 2024 instability is the main thrust of the computerized currency market in a significant manner. Today it isn't quite easy to expect, and for the most part follow current costs in an unpretentious manner. Various crypto analysts sort of become perhaps the main consider truly such way, which really is very critical. The worth assumptions are appropriate for the years referred to, which sort of is very huge. Crypto clients sort of are at this point stressed over crypto blacklists and new constraints. Ariva's expense could by and large outperform 0.000588739 if the market sees a nice bull generally run in 2024 in a very significant manner, since it sort of is genuinely ordinary to be held by extremely long stretch monetary sponsor. Its run-of-the-mill cost for 2024 will be around 0.000522288 in a significant manner. Ariva value forecast 2025. The continuous worth extent of Ariva may bear some importance with various traders, and thus Arv can truly reach 0.000087444 by 2025, with huge cooperation with financial associations, expecting the going with conditions in every way that really matters are met in a kind of significant way, with a normal expense of 0.000752245 for 2025, it can in a real sense beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs in every practical sense huge way. The worth trademark could vacillate, as the crypto market could basically see another rise, heading towards 2025. Arv course gauge 2026. A direct approach to really manage this money can generally be found on various locales and conversations in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the viewpoint on this assumption stage, Ariva will hold at its continuous expense for a really long time. By 2026, the Arv should justify a most outrageous sort of worth of 0.001, which basically is genuinely huge. The base expense can explicitly go up to 0.001. Accepting the market generally turns bullish. Ariva value forecast 2027. Arv in a real sense has giant potential with explicit kind of joint endeavors, and headways can grow the amount of clients and gathering, which all things considered is very critical. In case the market bases on placing assets into Ariva, the expense could rise impressively, essentially more in a really significant manner by 2027. It can generally show up at a generally especially outrageous worth of 0.002. The Arv especially should kind of turn a little if the market goes down, or so they thought. The year 2027 can end with a regular expense of 0.002, with a base expense of 0.001 and a biggest expense of 0.002. Incredibly, Arv course estimate 2028. There essentially are signs that the crypto market will enter one more period in an unobtrusive manner, surely the somewhat long expense assumption at the expense of Arv will sort of take off as they are in a real sense is still truly honest. Intentions that the money will stand sufficiently apart to be truly seen in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, the year 2028 can end with a commonplace expense of 0002 and a base worth certainly worth of 0002. The best expense should trade around 0003. In a significant manner. Arv course estimate 2029 Arv will be considered to be a very predominant decision, and with the Goliath neighborhood Ariva course will show up at new levels in a kind of enormous manner. Esteem instabilities especially are difficult to anticipate, especially expecting the market is somewhat more bullish or most certainly negative than any time in ongoing memory, which basically is very huge for the year 2029. The expense of Ariva will be close 0003. In an unpretentious manner, the most really outrageous assertion we can in a real sense get all things considered is 0004. The expected common expense for Ariva close to the completion of 2029 could in every practical sense be around 0003. In an unpretentious way, colossal worth kind of turn really is in every practical sense ordinary inside the Ariva set by the crypto market, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ariva value expectation 2030. Apparently by 2030 Ariva Arv costs will basically have commonly shown up at a level like their especially past high. In an unpretentious manner by 2030, we can basically expect an ordinary expense of 0004 accepting all works out emphatically. We guess that the best expense of Ariva could especially reach 0005 in 2030 or so. They thought clearly there generally are chances that the market will deplete after a very lengthy bullish period, and this is common for the computerized cash market, which for the most part is very critical in a huge manner. Arv course gauge 2031 Ariva exceptionally worth will augment through the undertakings of association specialists and neighborhood supporters in an especially significant manner, thusly not entirely settled for the year 2031. Basically is bullish in an unpretentious manner. Arv certainly should by and large show up at a most essentially outrageous worth degree of 0007, close to the completion of 2031, as sort of demonstrated by specialists in an unobtrusive manner. On the other hand, he is very kind of confident that the destiny of Ariva will eventually basically create as needs be. Ariva value forecast facts. These truly are likely the most presented requests by monetary supporters in essentially respects to Ariva cost assumption in an unpretentious manner. Is Ariva a savvy adventure in an all things considered significant way? Contemplate placing assets into Ariva, accepting that you are pondering for the most part progressed money related norms. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A long premium in the cash can basically exhibit extremely helpful. What's more, it should explicitly show up at its unrivaled sort of high in the accompanying several years, expecting that